Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to personalize your Snapchats by changing the wallpaper. It's a fun way to add a bit of personality to your conversations. So let's get started. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now go to the chat where you want to change the wallpaper. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the name of the person you're chatting with. Tap on it. This will open the chat settings menu. Scroll down in the chat settings until you find the wallpaper option. Tap on it. This will bring up the wallpaper selection screen. You'll usually see a variety of options. Snapchat often offers pre-made wallpapers, sometimes with different themes or designs. To choose one of these, simply tap on the wallpaper you like. You might get a preview of how it looks in the chat. If you're happy with it, tap Set or the equivalent of the confirmation button. And there you have it. Your chat background is now personalized with your chosen wallpaper. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!